Hello, I'm Dave Helderson from RatPack. I'm just doing a short talk today about a new product that we have on the market, made by our friends at BASF. Now, about 2 years ago, they released a product called Cilantro. It's a rodenticide, a bit different from your typical single feed and multi-feed rodenticides poisons. This is based on a chemical called cholecalciferol. And I've done a separate video on this, so this particular video is not about this product, but it is linked with the new product, and this is why I've got them both in front of me today. It's classed as a paste bait, although when you see it, it actually takes the form of a block. And the new product is a monitoring block. It goes very much hand in hand with the original Cilantro. 8 kilograms is how the Cilantro comes. 3 kilograms is how the monitoring block comes, or monitoring paste. The other difference is that these are not coloured. This one comes out sort of like a green colour. This is uncoloured. And the good thing about it is it's made on the same bait matrix, the same sort of food substance as this. So that is quite important. The idea behind this is when you're using this as a monitoring block in a bait station, the rats come in, or mice come in, get used to eating it, quite happy. It has a very faint smell. I think it's more relevant if you're a rodent. But it's sealed in a perforated wrapper to let what little bit of smell there is out. And the blocks themselves have a hole in the middle, so you can locate them on a spike in a bait station. Put a couple of these in a bait station, put them on sites in the areas where you think there's some activity, after you've done your survey and so on, and get them used to coming into the bait station and taking this. It gives the professional pest controller a view as to the levels of activity on the site. And once they're comfortable entering the bait station, finding the block, taking a nibble and so on, and then moving on, the pest controller knows that there's activity there. He knows the bait stations that's busy from the ones that aren't. And then after a while, what you can do is you remove the monitoring block and substitute it for the full Cilantro, if you will, the one with the cholecalciferol in. And the rats won't know the difference. Apart from the colour, the taste is the same, the bait matrix is the same. And they take it with the same sort of confidence that they have been doing with the monitoring blocks. The idea is, of course, then that they're ingesting the cholecalciferol, which does its thing on the metabolism of the rodent. It activates the calcium within the skeletal structure, redeposits into the stomach of the rodent, fills it up, they don't want to eat, and that's how they die. It works really, really quickly. It's a fantastic thing. We've had it for about 2 years now, and unbelievably popular. Brilliant, brilliant product. And this just makes it that bit better. You've now got the monitoring version as well. It's part of your integrated pest management, survey, monitoring, baiting, trapping, and it all goes hand in hand. So very new on the market. If you've tried the Cilantro, you get on with it as most people do. This is the next logical stage. You can do your monitoring with it. Works a treat, attracts them in. The palatability is fantastic, always has been. And the times over and over again that we're hearing guys saying they maybe weren't taking this or they maybe weren't taking that, but they are taking the Cilantro. This really, really should be the same. I've got no field test stories to relate because it is that new. But we are more than happy that this is going to be another vital tool in the professional pest controller's armoury. 3 kilogram tub Cilantro monitoring paste from our friends at BASF.